Got a washer that just sits there soaking? Let's get it spinning again. No tools, no tears. The number one culprit? An unbalanced load. If your laundry looks like a lumpy burrito, just pause the cycle, open the lid, and spread those clothes out evenly. Big blanket? Toss in a few towels for balance. Overloaded? You want a hand's width between your clothes and the top of the drum. Too empty? Add a couple things, your washer likes company. Still stuck? Check the drain hose for kinks or clogs and clean out the pump filter if you have a front loader. Water not draining means no spin. Make sure the door clicks shut and the machine sits flat, no wobbles allowed. If you hear nothing but silence, unplug for a minute and restart. If it still won't spin, the problem might be deeper, like a tired belt or motor. That's when you call in the pros. Remember, start simple. Most spin problems are easy to fix at home,